Hello guys! So this is Pinay Supermom and I am excited to share with you today the best thing in YouTube right now. And what's that? Ang YouTube Live or kilala sa tawag nating YT Live Streaming or LS. What I will share with you guys are my personal experiences on how live streaming helped in the growth of my channel. Well, my channel is not that big yet, but I always like to celebrate small achievements and share it with you guys, hoping that you will learn something from this. Yes, I know guys, kapag naririnig natin o nakikita natin yung sinasabi nilang LS, ay maraming naglalaro sa isip nyo at bumubulong sa tenga nyo, right? Some may feel a little bit shy or conscious about your looks, thinking about how you will talk, or a little bit scared or worried kasi baka walang pumasok or manood. Or in short, you just feel inadequate to do live streaming yet. I truly understand guys kasi ganyan-ganyan din ang naramdaman ko noong una akong nagsisimula na mag-livestream. Talaga namang takot and hiya are real. Alam niyo ba, nung first LS ko nga, hindi ko pa nga alam kung anong ibig sabihin ng LS. Tingnan niyo ha, panoorin niyo to.
Hi guys! Good evening! This is Pinay Supermom. Wala na ako magawa kasi I'm waiting for my client. I have an online meeting and overseas client siya. So, I'm trying this online or live streaming ba tawag dito? Itong live na video. So, yan, that's my work. Kapag walang physical meeting, especially for overseas clients, I do online meeting instead. So, first time ko to go on live. So, siguro maybe next time, meron tayong mga topic na pag-uusapan on live siya. So, for now, ayan, just trying this one. So, ayan.
Diba? Hindi ko nga alam ang una kong sasabihin at di ko rin alam kung ano ang tawag sa ginagawa ko. Live stream pala yun. Akala ko kasi live show ibig sabihin ng LS. Ayun, nakakahiya talaga, diba? Pero guys, ang biggest questions kasi are, what motivates you to create a YT channel? And how bad do you want your channel to grow over time? And as what I'm always saying, you need a whatever it takes attitude once you decided to create a YT channel. Nandito ka naman na rin so nasimulan mo na, so ibig sabihin, ituloy-tuloy mo na rin. So guys, katulad ng marami, nag-struggle din ako. Totoo yan. And when I started, sinungkit ko rin talaga isa-isa ang bawat saging sa bahay ko and even the number of views sa mga uploads ko ay talagang inabangan ko din. Simula sa 20, 50 views, 100, 110 views, hanggang sa unti-unti ko na siyang nakikita na nag-grow na siya. Well, I am not telling again na bongga na ang viewers ko ha, but I am happy that views are increasing on every upload. Meron pa nga akong LS dati na ang gadget ko lang at ang mga kamag-anak ko ang kasama kong nanonood. Pero it's part of our growth, I know, and it's not a reason to give up. Okay, so let's put it this way guys. When you do live stream, you are opening a business. You are announcing and marketing it to the whole world. We are all here because we believe that YouTube can be a good business, right? But just like any other businesses, inaaral yan at kailangan pinag-uukulan ng pansin para ito ay lumaki at lumago. Alam niyo guys, if you will ask me for an advice tungkol sa YT, I will only give 3 advices. Number 1, focus on your content and make it watchable. Number 2, build networks of friends. And lastly, I think yung ating topic ngayon is experience the benefits of live streaming. Okay, so I'll focus on the benefits of live streaming, guys. First, through live stream, mas nakikilala ka ng ibang legit na YouTubers. Nakakabuild ka ng community and followers which will eventually become a loyal viewers and supporters which in the long run ay magiging real friends and they will be part of the growing channel. Kaya naman, sugod na, LS na. Pero guys, make sure that you have adequate number of subs bago kayo mag-LS. I think the safest is having 800 to 1,000 subscribers para naman may followers ka na agad, diba? Eventually, you will learn naman to choose a perfect time, a perfect style, and how to be just yourself. Second, if you are just starting and you are aiming for the monetization program of YT, then the best way to achieve it is through live stream. Though please be reminded guys that uploading content will still give you your consistent growth and views dito sa ating community. The fastest way to get your watch hour or WH na tinatawag nila is through live streaming. That is why I encourage everyone to do live streaming as soon as possible kasi it will really help the numbers in your WH. Based on my experience, it takes a viral post para maka 4,000 watch hour ka. And ang paghahanap ng viral post ay depende sa pagkakataon. Ang pagkakataon ng viral post is beyond your control, di ba? Kaya hindi ito basta-basta. Pero guys, ang live streaming, you can control it. If you want WH so badly, then mag-LS ka na mag-LS o yung ibang tinatawag nilang silent live streaming. Imagine guys, if you have 10 loyal friends who will willingly watch your LS for 2 hours every day, that is equivalent to 20 hours per day and 140 hours per week. This is the same with a monetized channel wherein the more na tumataas ang engagement mo through LS, the higher your RPM din, di ba? Number 3, para sa mga monetized channel, maswerte ang mga nag-LS ngayon kasi may mga bagong pakulo si YT. Kung dati solely sa ads lang nagdedepende ang kita mo, ngayon marami ng streams of income dahil sa super chatters, super stickers, and membership in YT. Super chatters and super stickers are given by generous friends who want to support you. Pwede maglapag ng any amount of currency. For the membership naman, people will pay certain amount to enjoy exclusive perks from your channel. And finally, LS allows you to meet friends and strategic partners along the way. Mga taong makikipag-partner at makikipag-collaborate with you to grow. Meaning, you grow together and support each other. Tulad ko guys, I am so blessed and thankful to have friends who are helping my LS to grow. Some are my advisors, some are contributors, some are supporters, and lately, may mga sponsors na of items for our viewers and supporters. Ang galing diba? Kasi nagiging daluyan ng blessings ang channel ko, and not to mention that you are also helping others to meet new friends and partners through the unlimited isdaan or lapagan. Ibang galing lang kasi live stream stands true to the words that we will grow together. And this happens from the time you build your own YouTube channel coupled with the time and effort that you exert every time and compensation from YT that makes your YT business grow. Ang ads kasi nade-develop yan through time. Pero sa mga ibang means of income, mabilis lang. Tulad ko guys, in 2 weeks after my monetization, I was able to hit na the $100 Google AdSense threshold at dahil yan sa mga generous friends natin. Okay, so live stream is a great way to earn in YT while you are still building the quality of your contents. So here I am and I will be giving you 3 important things to remember once you decide to experience live streaming. Number 1, personality. Aralin mo ang personality na akma sa'yo. Kung wala kang maisip, then just be yourself. Mahirap ka magpanggap na hindi naman natunay na ikaw, diba? So believe me, matatalino ang mga nasa YT. Kaya una pa lang, ipakita mo na ang tunay na ikaw. Give people reasons why they will want to visit you or your channel. Remember guys, at this moment, several YouTubers are doing LS na rin all at the same time. So give them reasons to watch you, show yourself, innovate, and be creative. Show your heart to the world and people will be attracted to watch, stay, and visit you again and again. Number 2, consistency. Consistency develops loyalty. Pumili ka at aralin mo ang perfect time for you. When you feel na okay na sa'yo ang specific time slot and you have followers on that time, then continue to do your LS on that specific time slot. Eventually, you will grow in the minds of your viewers or supporters. Parang teleserye lang, diba? Pag prime time, alam na kaagad nila na magsisimula na ang back-to-back na mga soap opera. Dahil lagi kang nakikita sa araw-araw at sa parehong oras, they unconsciously develop a habit of checking you out guys sa oras na yon. So remember, consistency is the key to your friends' loyalty. Number 3, network or alliance. Mahirap mag-LS na walang supporter at walang kakampi, right? Kaya guys, it is important to build alliances or network kasi they will be your first line of support every time you are online. And of course, we would like to attract legit friends, tama ba? So what I suggest is to give your audience a real engagement. What do I mean by this? Acknowledge them when they come in. Give praise and good words as it is necessary and show gratefulness and kindness and real support as you market it. Hindi lang sa salita but true efforts in helping one another. you practice these things, guys, you will be surprised that your friends will grow and grow and grow. Just remember in YT, we don't build networks to make use of them and work just for us, but we want to build alliance to extend growth to everyone who are part of it. So guys, if you are planning to grow your channel seriously, then you should try live streaming and build your own identity. Simulan mo na yan. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo, di ba? Ika nga ng Nike, just do it. Start hitting the go live button, choose the right title, and give your best smile to the world. And truly, they will smile back at you and embrace you with open arms. Tandaan po natin, guys, great things starts from small beginning. If we will not start somewhere, we will end up regretting it. Okay? So 2 viewers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's called growth. And believe me, with your consistency and whatever it takes attitude, di mo mamamalaya na naka 1,000 views ka na pala at lampas 100 na ang likes mo and viewers. Guys, for more vlogs related to my YouTube journey, please click the YouTube journey playlist below. And so I hope you like this video and learned something from it. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like button, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Once again, this is Pinay Supermom. Till next time, guys. Bye!